Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into a tutorial on how to buy meme coins and use the CoinsKid.com website and the process of buying and selling the coins basically. It's a really simple tutorial to follow, but I have been focused on meme coins for a very long time with yourselves. Now I did make a post way back here. It was on October the 31st, around about 6:50 a.m. in the morning. I did stipulate that I've took some change at Act, Fartcoin and TITS, literally chump change at each of these meme coins on the Solana blockchain. These are not big positions. I'll never go all in on a meme coin, although I wish I had on Bonk in 2023. Well, basically, January 2023, I was looking at meme coin selection. I did pick Bonk as a primary meme coin selection, and it went up around about 70x. For myself and a lot of the CoinsKid crew right there. It was a lovely call, and this is why at this point in the market I've been looking and focused on meme coins, and I've been creating these sections to help you find these little meme coins. So basically I did pick 3 meme coins. Act, currently as it is at the moment, that's at roughly 28x just from last Friday. Fartcoin, I think that's up around about 6x, and TITS, that's up roughly 6x as well, I think. So we're doing incredibly well on those particular coins. So I'm just going to run through a couple of sections that I've created for yourselves to help you find the meme coins going forward. Okay, let's dive in right now. So I've created 2 sections for yourselves on CoinsKid.com. One is the Moonshot section, I'll go through that with you in a moment, and one is the DEX section. So basically what happens is the Moonshots come in, okay, and then over a few weeks they get filtered and they hold that liquidity and volume and they start to get a bit of traction, then you will find them in the DEX section to be traded basically. So we'll take a quick look at the filtered coins in the Solana Moonshot section just there. Now, you know, this particular section, the coins that come in, because you've got to realize that every single second new meme coins are being created on these blockchains. So I'm focusing on the Solana blockchain at the moment because it's a lot of activity there, there's more volume, and it's cheaper to trade on that particular blockchain at the moment. Okay, so this is where all the action is right now. So we've got this coin called Shogu, which has literally just come out 44 minutes ago. We've got Bella, we've got Pnud, Crash, Web4, Peewee Nut, and things like that, you know. So you can go down the list, and this is the section in which I found those coins a few weeks ago. We've got Act, we've got TITS, and we've got Fartcoin right there. So I found those on this particular section, studied them, looked at the websites, looked at the research, looked at the holders, looked at rug checks and so forth, and then I decided upon them 3, and you know, so far so good. But initially they weren't doing very well. Like most coins that come out, they don't do well. They come up, come down, go sideways and whatever, get a bit boring, but that's exactly what you should be looking at. If they find the feet and stability, they will begin to drop into the DEX section, and at that point they become a little bit more favorable. But remember, you know, all meme coins are a meme basically. They are basically a risk, you know, there's no guarantees. So only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't go on your life savings. Don't be an over leveraged degen, and just, you know, if you can afford to lose whatever you invest in, that's what you invest. Don't be a degen basically. That's something I'm trying to convey to you right there. So let's go through the simple process right now on filtered Solana Moonshots on how we look for potential coins to invest in. Really simple process. Okay, so looking down the list, what I tend to look for, and I've got a little checklist here for you, we're looking for something with decent volume, decent holders, decent token distribution, and obviously a little bit of liquidity as well, and the fact that it passes all the rug checks. So there's a little process here that I go through, and I'll go through this with you quickly. So for example, let's go down the list here. We've got a coin that's 5 hours old. At the minute you can clearly see it's tanking. I think that's on the hourly time frame. It's lost 44% of its value. So it's come out of the blocks, it's bolted, and it's absolutely took off, and right now it's getting a sell off, and you've got 26,000 sellers over 25,000 buyers. But the volume's there, we've got quite a nice bit of volume. So we'll click on it. It's called Dixie. It looks like a little dog picture. So as silly as it is, let's click the website, and this is something I do like to look for, a website. It does have a website. Justice for Dixie, petition demanding firing of cop who fatally shot harmless golden retriever goes viral. So it's something to do with a dog. So anyway, that's the website. So you can go further down that list if you want to do that. And then we've got a Telegram group, and then we've got the Twitter, and then we've got the site in which created it called Pump Fun. Then equally here we've got a little symbol that says the liquidity has been burnt by the developer right there. So one of the processes that I like to do and look for in these coins before I do decide to chuck a bit of money in it is really simple. Rug check. That's the first port of call for me, is rug check. So I'll click on that, and I'm going to see what it says. So at the moment, risk analysis actually says that this is good, although it has a low amount of LP providers, which is basically the liquidity providers on the blockchain. Basically, there's not that much liquidity in there, but like any new coin, there's not going to be. It gains as attraction grows for the coin. So let's go back to that particular coin, and let's see if we can find any more information that will give us clues. So again, little drop down, you've got Bubble Maps, which is a fantastic site that shows you the tokenomics of the distribution of the supply. So just here we've got two quite big bubbles. So if we take a look, that's 2.28% of the supply is owned by these two bubbles that are connected. So this is something to do with a developer or an early adopter basically. But other than that, you know, the tokenomics are quite evenly distributed here. But to get even more information, there is another little site that we can check right now. So go back to the coin, and again, what is it, Dixie? So check little Dixie drop down, go to analytics right there, and we can take a deeper look of what's going on. So currently the market cap is $246,000. So again, there's not much liquidity in there, and if you are investing in this, it is a risk. Obviously there's no guarantees, but let's take a quick look at the holders. So we do have Radium Authority, which is picking this up, Token Holder, which owns 3.9%, which is probably the token we've just seen on bubble mats. But other than that, we do have quite an evenly distributed supply of this particular token. You can clearly see at the moment the highest token holder, the developer, is currently sitting on around about $9,761 in the token price right there. So again, it's entirely up to you if you want to invest, but I would probably chuck $20, $25, $30 at this particular project and forget about it basically. And if it pumps, I'll take out what I put in, and then I'm riding a free token. And this is what I tend to do on these particular meme coins. So let me show you right now the DEX section, which I think is a more favorable section to invest in coins that have been around the block, got a little bit more stability, and the things we need to look for going forward. Okay, so looking at the DEX section, to get to that, all you do is go to DEX at the top. You've got all coins, and you've got all these sections that I've created for yourselves on different blockchains. But we're going to focus on the Solana blockchain, just like we did on Moonshots, because I think this is where the action is right now. Okay, on the Solana blockchain. Now in this particular list, we've got BERT, which is absolutely bolted, looking at 3,338% up today, with a market cap of 57.7 million. Liquidity is pushing near a million. Volume is 38.6 million, and it's doing incredibly well. There's a lot of trading going on. There's 47.8% transactions and 13,000 traders, back and forth right now. So it's doing incredibly well. It's bolted. Now I would not necessarily be buying this right now because the reason is staring in the face. This particular indicator here is called the RSI. This is extremely overbought. If you are ever looking to buy a meme coin, one of the things you want to look for before you do invest, obviously, you don't necessarily want to buy the big green candles because you're going to get big red dildos. You're going to get shafted. What you want to do is buy the blood, fear and depression. When the RSI is in the floor on the 4-hourly time frame, this is where you want to be accumulating these meme coins that are in the DEX section. Really, really simple, okay? So we'll go down this list and find some. But right now on the micro, I don't necessarily have a warning shot. Okay, I don't have the data on the micro time frame to give you a guide as to what you should be doing here. For example, Bub is giving us a sell warning because I do actually have micro time frame data for that. So if I click on it, again, you can clearly see on the RSI we're really overbought. So this is not a buy because, like I said to you, you buy big green candles, you're going to get big red dildos. Just like buying there, what came, rug pull there, rug pull here, more than likely a rug pull. So Bub would not be on my list as a buy right now because the risk is increased, because on the micro greed on CoinsKid.com we're getting a sell warning. So what we're looking for is really simple. Go down the list. You've got neutrals, you've got neutral warnings, you've got buy warnings, and you've got buy signals. So we go to page 4 right now. You can clearly see we've got this coin here called MD, which is a buy warning. We've got Floydai, which is a buy warning. We've got Mimani, which is a buy warning, and equally here we've got Morud, which is a buy warning. Now there's one coin that I've got my eye on here, and I'm going to go through as to why I'm buying this coin. Okay, so basically Rugger, if we click on this particular chart, we do have a buy warning on it, and if I click on it right now, you can clearly see why, because we're coming down into the RSI, into the floor. Like I've just shown you on them coins at the top of the list, the RSI is up here. So this is what you want to be doing. You want to be accumulating these coins when they're down there in the floor, really, really oversold, below 30, and selling when they're above 70. So buying the floor and selling the sky. Really, really simple. So the RSI is a guide to that. So, but what we're looking for primarily, which we don't necessarily see just yet, is a bullish divergence on the 4-hourly RSI. So I'm going to keep an eye on this coin. I've posted in a Discord for the CoinsKid crew. This is on my radar, and basically what I'm looking for is a bullish divergence down here where we create high lows, and lower lows in the index, or the inverse, which is lower lows in the price action, where this does something like this and this does something like that. That's basically a bullish divergence. We don't quite see it yet, and I think if we start to see it on the 4-hourly time frame, then we will see a bit of a move for this particular coin to come back up to this level here. So again, Raccoon, it's on my radar. I do quite like this coin. I've gone down a rabbit hole already with this coin, and the reason is, if we check the rug check, it ticks the boxes. Obviously it's got a rating of good, although it's low amount of low liquidity providers, but I do like the concept basically. It's a concept I can get behind. The concept is the fact that it is a rug. Okay, so we're riding it from the start to the top. to basically ride the rug. It really is that simple. So again, it's a risky trade. This is meme coin. This is what you do. Everything is risky. Please remember that. But if we take a quick look at the analytics here and look at the token holders at the moment, we've not got a massive supply. We've not got a massive entity that's holding supply, just a Radium Authority, which is pretty much where we trade. So the biggest holder is currently sitting around about 1.79%. I'm going to buy some of this, but I'm waiting for the 4-hour bullish divergence right there. So I've actually posted this in Discord for the CoinsKid crew. So again, we check the website out, Rug and me, take a quick look at this, and again, this is something you can do. Come to the section DEX, have a look, study all the coins, see what you see, and get rugged or die trying. I like the raccoon. It's daft as that, but if it's memey, if it's fun, if it's cute, they do tend to pick up. But again, this is degen play. This is meme coin trading. So how do we actually buy this coin? So I'll show you exactly how we buy this coin. If you're interested in buying this coin, how do we get it? So I use Phantom Wallet. There are other wallets out there that you can use, but I like to use Phantom. I've got an install on my browser, I've got it on my PC, and I've equally got it on my phone as well. I do a lot of trading on my phone because it's really easier to do that, using a website, copy the address and paste it into your Phantom Wallet. You find the token, boom, you swap out straight away. It's the Phantom Wallet. Okay, you can get it on the iOS, you can get it on the App Store and the Play Store right there. They're legitimate apps. Check the reviews, you'll see what I mean. They're fantastic wallets, very, very safe. And remember, there's a copying process of your keys. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. You get an encryption. I think it's a 14-word text basically, and copy that down, write it down. Don't make a digital copy, don't ever give it to anybody. That's your private key for your wallet. If you lose your phone breaks, or your PC, whatever, then all you need is that bit of information, that 14-word right there, to get your wallet back and get your crypto back. Really, really simple. But please remember, back up your wallet, make sure you write it down, don't give it to anybody, keep it in a safe place, and then in time, anything can happen. You lose your phone, whatever, your PC breaks, then you've got access to your wallet. It don't matter, you just reinstall it on your new device. So do that, and never let anybody see that, and don't do a digital copy. A lot of people do that and make that mistake, okay, i.e. making a screenshot or a photo. Don't do that, write it down, it takes a second. So yeah, install the Phantom Wallet. It's an amazing wallet, and this is how you trade DEX basically. So let me show you what you need to do to buy the token right now. So once you've got your Phantom Wallet installed, there's two options how you can trade and buy this coin. Really, really simple. So again, just click the check down list, and you've got a copy address at the bottom. So the simple process is really simple. Just copy the address, open your Phantom Wallet on your phone or your browser or whatever, then paste the address into the search. You will see Rug come up, and then you just click swap. And really simple, you swap your USD Tether or Solana, whatever you want to swap for that particular coin. Job done. You click it, it goes through. Sometimes it fails, sometimes it goes through. Okay, and you just got to be patient, and that's it. You buy it. Job done. Alternatively, there is an option on the check here. You just click the checklist and come down, and there's a link, trade on Radium. So click that. And what you do, you get this little pop-up. Now I've already connected my wallet, previous to this particular video right here. Phantom Wallet connected, yep, fantastic, I already know that. You'll get this little warning shot come up, confirm token. This token is not on the default token list. By clicking below, you understand that you are fully responsible for confirming the token you are trading. So basically, check that it's the right name, Rugger, right, with a right little icon, brilliant. So it's not a copycat token, we already know that because I've gone through the rug check with you, and then boom, understand, I confirm. So now I'm looking to buy this coin. So what I'm looking for, obviously a bullish divergence, but if I forget to do that, and I just think, I'm not bothered about the bullish divergence, I just want to buy now and forget about it, I'm not bothered if it goes up or down or whatever, I'm just looking to chuck some change in this particular coin, then all you do is come up here. So from Sol, you convert your Sol, whatever, but I do have some USDC in here already. Okay, so I've got this preloaded with $40 right now, so I would put max right there, max, give me $40, and it tell me exactly how many rug I will get. So I'll get 18,049 rug tokens right there, and then just click swap, boom, and it does it. And that's it, job done. You've got the rug in your wallet right there. But like I said to you, back up your wallet, don't lose your wallet, make sure you write down that secret key right there, and then if you do lose your phone or your PC breaks or whatever, then you've got access to your wallet again. Really, really simple process, and then you own your rugger. And if it takes off into space, fantastic. And what a lot of us are doing, like myself included, we'll buy it, wait for it to go up, take out what we put in, and then we're riding a free wave, which is absolutely amazing. So that's basically how you buy the coins. Okay, really simple process right there. Don't overcomplicate it, it's not rocket science. Hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. If you need any help, just pop into the Discord, or even if you find any amazing meme coins going forward, pop into the meme coins section right there, which is absolutely blowing up right now, and get involved in the community. The links are in the video description. Take care everyone, back to another update on meme coin selections. Bye bye.